Let's explore together the biggest dinosaur park in the world. You will find out interesting facts about these animals and will be surprised how realistic they are recreated in the park. Dubai Garden Glow is located in the Bill Park. It consists of Dinosaur Park, Magic Park, Ice Park, which is currently under maintenance, Art Park, and of course Glow Park. More detailed overview of a Glow Park you will find in my next video. In this video we will explore Dino Park. It is something very creative and unique and will be providing you unforgettable experience. Just imagine 120 animatronic dinosaurs moving and roaring all around the park to give a realistic picture of the earlier ages. Both an educational and entertainment facility, children and family members can learn about the prehistoric era and the amazing reptiles that have lived in that era. Interesting fact, when scientists made up names for the animals, they used the Greek words. In fact, the term dinosaur is a combination of Greek words deinos, terrible, and sauros, lizard, so it means terrible lizard. The Dinosaur Park houses several species of dinosaurs, like Tyrannosaurus rex, Dimetrodon, Brachiosaurus, Spinosaurus, and more, with interesting information displayed with it. Can you imagine? T-Rex lifespan was only 28 years. So when and why dinosaurs have died? Extinction took place about 66 million years ago. At that period, 75% of all life on Earth have died. There are many theories about what may have happened to them. In the park, there is very nice illustration of some of the probable causes leading to the extinctions of dinosaurs, like volcanic eruption, which led to the changes in the Earth's climate. Or a huge meteorite from space smashing into the Earth. The park offers more engagement and interactive elements like Dinosaur Lab, which takes you through the life cycle of dinosaur, right from when it comes out of the egg to when it went extinct. Did you know for how long did it take dinosaur eggs to hatch? Between 3 and 6 months, which is twice as long as birds incubate their eggs nowadays. There is also a museum that displays replica of dinosaur skeletons. You can agree that during the daylight, dinosaurs look more or less friendly, but watch what happens when darkness is coming. Some humans, after kissing a dinosaur, can become dancing Zorus. Hope you have enjoyed the journey to the Dino Park. Please subscribe, like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you on the next trip.